Hello everyone, welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. So IBPS PO 2024 exam is getting closer, and what are the important months and topic we should cover for this particular examination? That is a question in everyone's mind. So our Guidely content team have worked a lot and they have given me the proper data based on the questions and the important month which came this year in the examination till now, like IBPS, RRB PO, IBPS, RRB clerk and IBPS clerk. So I am going to give you the complete idea about the important months and topic for the IBPS PU means examination. Before that, one important information: if you have not seen the detailed video based on the giveaway which we have announced today on the Guidely platform, do check it. Get the benefit of giveaway. If you are preparing for SBI clerk examination, definitely it is going to help you a lot. तो इसका details check कर लीजिएगा. Apart from that, for the next 2 days, you will have a great offer on the GA Hustle batch also. Hustle batch will be available costing around 740 rupees. Less than 750 में आपका available होगा GA Hustle batch for the next 2-3 days. For the complete preparation of IBPS PO, SBI PO and LBO, UBI LBO, you can prefer Hustle batch along with the GA General Awareness Smart Analysis. We have seen in the previous video that in the smart analysis, most of the question came to your examination from here. Currently it is available at 99 rupees. इसका normal price जो है आपका 199 होता है after discount, but for the next 2 days it is available at 99. So get the benefit of this Diwali offer. Go for the subscription of these courses. चलिए start कर लेते हैं वीडियो को, moving into the session immediately. Talking about RRB PO 2024 examination, I'll just keep my cam off for some time to give you the clear idea that okay, what type of question came to your examination this year, talking about the 24. So IBPS RRB PO means 2024, from the banking and finance we had 4 questions. News of national importance was a very important topic. During the last 3 examination we have seen 8 question in RRB PO, 7 question RRB clerk, after that IBPS clerk 6 question. Although in the IBPS clerk the weightage of banking and financial news was also very high. तो आपके जो इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स हैं जहां से वेटेज ज्यादा है, मोर देन 5 मार्क्स का वेटेज बन रहा है, उन पर आपको फोकस रखना है. सो वन टॉपिक बैंकिंग एंड फाइनेंशियल न्यूज, सेकंड टॉपिक है आपके पास न्यूज ऑफ नेशनल इंपॉर्टेंस. ये 2 इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक हो गए. ठीक है, फर्स्ट आई विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट द हायर वेटेज टॉपिक. थर्ड, science and tech also we have seen the dominating topic during all 3 examination. 3 marks, 2 marks, 2 marks, we have seen the question, right? Now talking about the sports, surprisingly we didn't have any direct question from the sports in RRB PO, but RRB clerk and IBPS clerk there were 3 questions from this topic. Then static GK or static oriented question. This year compared to last year, this year we have seen more number of question from this topic also, right? यहां से भी आपके पास ज्यादा क्वेश्चन थे कंपेयर टू लास्ट ईयर. इन द IBPS RRB PO 3 questions directly from here, 3 questions in RRB clerk and 5 question in IBPS clerk. While static banking means types of account, types of banking, check, payment settlement, these type of topics. So from here 5 question in RRB PO heavy weightage, and RRB clerk 2, RRB IBPS clerk 3. So this was also one important topic, means higher weightage topic this year. Although till last year nobody was preparing this particular, like banking awareness कोई prepare नहीं कर रहा था. Banking awareness static part, nobody was preparing for the examination. Everyone before the interview tried to grab a little knowledge regarding banking awareness कि banking के बिना तो banking के exam clear हो रहे हैं. But इस साल scenario अलग है. Banking awareness is important. So before IBPS PU means also you should go through with the important topic. At least you should cover the topics I am telling you. Difference between bank and NBFC, types of check, types of account, special accounts you should cover like Nostro, Vostro, Loro, NRE, NRO, FCNR, all these accounts you should cover. Especially keep the focus on the banking awareness which is in current affairs, which is there in the updations. Like Reserve Bank of India issues the PCA framework for cooperative bank. So you can expect the question regarding PCA framework because circular issue हुआ है. RBI issues any guideline regarding after that regarding priority sector lending, PSL stuck हो गया था PSL. So PSL topic you can expect in your examination. Recently we have seen lots of update in UPI Lite wallet facility, UPI 123. In the previous all 3 examination questions were also there regarding UPI Lite, UPI 123 पे. Again in the IBPS PO exam you can expect the question based on this. तो सबसे पहले फोकस करो करंट अफेयर्स में जो बैंकिंग आ रहा है वहां से आपको एरिया कवर करना है. इसके बाद गवर्नमेंट स्कीम, गवर्नमेंट एप्स 6 मार्क, RRB PO 5 marks and RRB clerk, and IBPS clerk में 4 marks. So this were the major dominating area in the examination. मतलब यहाँ से आपका weightage काफी ज्यादा था एग्जाम में क्वेश्चंस का. These 5 to 6 topics like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these 6 topic have majority of the questions in your examination. अगर आप देखो appointment very disappointed means we always think like appointment से काफी questions आएंगे, easy होता है, but this year we have seen very less number of questions from the appointment topic. काफी कम questions रहे appointment से. Awards and honors also normal 1, 1, 2, 2 question, but these 6 topic which I have told you had very important. Now coming to the months, अगर months की बात करें because RRB PO examination relatively tougher than the other examination this year in especially in GA. तो RRB वाकई में टफ था कंपेयर टू अदर एग्जामिनेशन. व्हाट वाज द रीजन बिहाइंड दिस? तो रीजन अगर आप देखोगे, यूजुअली व्हेन द एग्जाम्स आर कंडक्टेड इन द मंथ ऑफ अक्टूबर और सितंबर, वी सी मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चन कम फ्रॉम जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, राइट? दिस इज व्हाट द एक्सपेक्टेशन इज कि ज्यादातर क्वेश्चन जून, जुलाई, अगस्त से आएंगे. बट देयर वर equally divided question from March, April, May, June, July, then August. It means if you will observe last 6 month current affairs they ask in detail instead of last 3 to 4 months concept. Last 6 month का आपका current affairs उन्होंने एग्जाम में पूछ लिया. Similarly we can see the weightage in RRB PO also, IBPS clerk also. So this time also we should keep the focus on if your examination like your exam is end of November, right? आपका एग्जाम है नवंबर एंड में. So what you need to do? You need to cover September, October, November. ये 3 मंथ हो जाएंगे आपके पास. September, October, November, these 3 months in detail. ये 3 मंथ आप डिटेल में करो. After that June, July, August. So again for this examination which is there in end of November, मतलब आपका जो IBPS PO का एग्जामिनेशन है उसके लिए started from June you should go in the current affairs in depth. At least if you are able to cover May, well and good, very fine. Otherwise at least from June month you should cover the current affairs in detail, in depth, and complete the whole current affairs of October. What about November? At least till 15th of November current affairs you should cover. 15 नवंबर तक का current affairs आप cover करके जाइए इसके लिए, ठीक है? Started from at least from June onwards. तो ये हो गया आपके important months. So मैंने आपको complete idea दे दिया है. I am going to cover complete thing in the hustle batch. If you are preparing for, definitely you should prepare for the descriptive, right? So descriptive preparation के लिए you have a great course available, that is writing practice set for means 2024 examination. It is available on the Guidely platform just at 199. So it will include your SBI PO, IBPS PO, UII CAO and UBI LBO. All these mains examinations will be included into this. इनमें सारे एग्जाम्स आपके included हैं. So you can join the descriptive course today itself. ठीक है, आपके जो biggest offers चल रहे हैं दिवाली के, take the advantage on the premium bundle of PDF course as well. 539 4 months validity, 639 8 month validity. So use them. I'll be meeting you guys back in the next video soon. I hope इस वीडियो में आपको एक क्लियर आइडिया मिला होगा that okay these are the important months, these 6 are most important topic based on the this year scenario. So prepare on that side. In the paid classes I am going to cover everything. Thank you for watching this video. Take care. Jai Hind.